What's up, guys? If you are a Denago EV dealer, or if you're a customer and you've received one and you want to know where all of the protective points, they put Saranwrap basically on all kinds of stuff for protection during shipment. And some of them are obvious, like you'll see some on all sides of the windshield. In fact, some of it's a little difficult in some areas. You have to keep fiddling with it to get it off of there. Like along here, there's still some left. Or one of your co-workers is not removing all of it properly. Like there's still some right there. You may have to remove these two bolts to be able to get to that easier. But some other areas, all the logos will have a little strip of clear saran wrap, so to speak. Along through here, it'll have some. On all the lights, there'll be some. Some of it's a little difficult to remove. But also all the reflectors have a little bit on there, and you kind of have to work with it. I don't recommend you use a screwdriver or a pick, because you'll probably scratch the light that you're trying to move from. So just use your fingernail to get it off of there. Also on the steering wheel, here, we'll all have little pieces. On the monitor, use your little, use your fingernail and you'll be able to pick a slim sheet off of the monitor. All across the back. Here on the back logo, there'll be a clear piece. On the rear brake lights, there'll be some all the way around. So, just make sure that you inspect it thoroughly, for a PDI or pre-delivery inspection. Make sure you look it over thoroughly before you deliver it to the customer. Here, there's still some left. You have to basically be real meticulous about it. Right there. So there's still, this area is notorious for it being difficult to remove. So you have to remove these two screws, pull it off a little bit, and you'll be able to get that piece off that you see is still there. All the seats will have, plastic all over them. All the armrests will have plastic. It helps if you lift the seat up, you'll be able to get it off of here easier. And along in here is a little difficult. You may have to move the armrest to get it to come free in there. It's just tedious. Takes time. This is why some of you should be charging a PDI fee or a freight fee, whatever you want to call it, because it's a lot of work involved. And when they come, there'll be tape along the running boards. Make sure you take all this off as soon as you receive it off of the delivery truck, because if you let it sit out in the sun, the sun will just bake it on there, especially on the running boards. It'll bake the tape on there, make it really difficult. This will get baked on. All this stuff will totally get baked on to the surface and become really difficult to remove later on. So do it as soon as you receive the unit from your delivery truck. And walk around it a couple times. You may want to have even two people look at it, because it's just easy to miss stuff. See, there's some right there. I'll have to come back and do that one right underneath, a little bit left. It helps to be meticulous. Otherwise, you'll deliver it to the customer and they'll see all that stuff still on there and they'll go, what the heck is this crap? It just makes you look bad. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff relating to golf carts, dirt bikes, ATVs, motorcycles, scooters, Harleys, motocross bikes, classic cars, trucks, all kinds of cool stuff. Working around the house also, so check it out. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.